Alright, so we're going over this hand crimping tool today. Cool little package. Comes with the crimper and then like 1,200 pieces of the little terminals that you can crimp. So that is the box that it came in. This is the actual hand tool. I kind of got things pre-opened so that I can make it easier with one hand, but it's heavy duty, which is really cool. I mean, that seems like it's well made. It came with a little manual, little booklet there, and it comes with your 1,200 terminal assortments. So we'll pull this guy out here, which, yeah, this is nice. It's heavy, very well made. So I'm gonna see if we can pop open and use one of these guys here. I'm trying to do this one-handed, but sorry. Okay, open this guy up, and we'll burn one of these little black ones. And sorry about all the. There we go. We'll move it. Whoop. And there we go. Oh, that is just wicked cool. That was easy. You can squeeze it easy. Crimps it right up. That's awesome. Love it.